Back to creature walking.
What the fuck, Tully? Are you fucking kidding me?
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
Oh my.
Hey, Misa! Misa!
You better get down. Get down.
You better move that paw.
Yes! Please tell me you're gonna get it. That is awesome!
Oh, fuck. Come here, Rust.
Ay, lintik ka. Natulog ka na naman. Ano bang
Sharon is not caring. Go poop somewhere else.
Excuse me! No! No!
What are you doing?
Wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
What are you smiling at, girl? What is so...
You guys, somebody get the fucking mouse. He's literally not scared of any of you.
Stevie? I think you did, didn't you?
Ball. You heard of me? Oh! Oh!
Let me give her some love. Let me give her some love. Don't be jealous. Okay, all right, all right.
I really had no idea what's behind him. Oh, you. Oh.
Hello!
Oh my god. We're both just.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what? Adele! You say mama. Mama.
Can I get a... Oh, yeah!
Say thank you.
I don't think he's excited.
Evie. Ow. Goddamn. Evie, girl, come here.
What's the deal? I'm Power Play Bobby, this scrunch money hard.
Hi. Can I touch you? No. Oh, okay.
That's a cute smile. Paul, there's your smile.
Benji. Hey.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
Oh, I'm still sleepy, mommy.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see. Vinny.
Oakley, come here. Come here. Want me to throw it?
Oh my God! Winnie! Stop!
I didn't give birth to you. You're adopted.
Treat. Pill.
Oh my.
Whoa!
George, is that your new best friend?
Crying, Fatty Patty. You want your PJs? You want your jammy wammies on? Yeah?
Can you sit over there now?
Oh my goodness, look at your little face. It's just so cute.
Of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer and say, why don't you decide?
Excuse me.
That's a cute smile. Paul, let me see a smile.
She's so brave. She's well behaved.
Bad girl, Nana. Bad girl. Why you do that?
Come here. I gotta deliver it back. Since you took it from me? No. No. Oh, I'm so fired.
Come on. Let's go shake off outside. Franklin. Oh. You gonna sit over there now?
I'm so hungry. I could eat a golden retriever named Harley.
What? No.
Literally every time I laugh.
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more footwork, more footwork.
What is the mango? She said they might have left. They might have left. Walk out there in the lobby with
Alabracadabrador.
Who's being a bad boy?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Oh my god, my Shayla. My Shayla.
1, 2, 3, Leons! Oh, thank God.
She doesn't want to play right now.
What's in your mouth?
Which it feels are worthy of prosecution.
Mr. Pinky, what's in your mouth?
Everything that we can. I've even been on TMZ, which I never thought I would be, to make sure that the public is aware.
A chili dog.
Birds? Game warden.
Can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Pendejo.
Oh my god. Moose! I don't fucking... Oh my god!
Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Oh, j'ai pas sourd. Oh dear.
Bubba? Stop.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's been a minute, but he back at it.
What is it?
I literally...
Did I just wake you up from a snooze? You look like you just woke up.
I'm trying to take a dump, but I can't by myself.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
What have you done?
Rascal style.
One, two, three, go!
Do you want to go outside?
No, she gets put down.
Don't get in another one.
You're trying to find. A chili dog.
Is that your pot? This is my pot. Is that your pot? Bye.
He did it! Yay! Come on!
Not important.
You want to lay down?
But it's kind of important.
Yeah,
what?
Oh, boys, that is so sweet. Are you getting just morning bath?
She doesn't want to play right now.
We love you. We love you.
Calm you down. I rub your feet listening to everything.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Very much.
Sit down. No, don't touch me. Sit down. Look at you. You're a mess.
Hi.
Pew pew.
High five. Too slow.
We're going home to our house. We have to go home.
It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
Wait for it. What is this? You're a fucking escape artist.
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Hey, don't you want his tail, Holly?
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up. Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop?
Who is this?
Yeah, I love you.
Are you trying to steal my man? Maggie!
Cake.
We're adopted.
Oh, you know.
got a twist.
I want your grandma.
Do you realize that the hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made up this part of this baby?
Oh, Potty, come here.
Oh, Paul got a new toy. What is it? Can you sit? Can you show me? Oh, it's a donut. It's a donut.
Ah! Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Oh!
You're down. Yeah.
No. No, stop it.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work.
And can't even.
Yeah, yeah. It ain't my fault that.
Pregnancy, I'm actually real bad.
His legs, I'm dying.
Sammy, here.
And sloppy.
I didn't give you permission. Excuse me.
Oh. Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath? Hey. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Only problem I have a problem with is you. That's the only problem I have a problem with.
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, "Are you dumb?"
Oh my God.
He's right here next to me.
Uncle.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah.